Greebles the Gremlin is the perfect example of when Pixar used another an already existing car model for another character. Like, of course, Greebles is an AMC Gremlin, and the first car in the Cars universe, or at least I think it was the first, to use the Gremlin model is, of course, Grem in Cars 2. So I guess Pixar decided, why not use some already existing car models? Like for example, I think they use Sterling as a model. I think that's K-Pillar the Rev's model. That's what she is. Sterling. An old BMW of some description. I don't know my old BMWs very well, so I need to do my research now, don't I? But of course, Greebles is probably the most unique gremlin out of all of them. I mean, just look at her. Or is it him? I have no idea, to be honest. Yeah, but even still, still a clown. Well, as evidenced by the clown nose, which we'll get to in a minute. And her paint job and all the rest of it. Right, let's get to the best part. Have a closer look at them. So here we go, and her, there, I don't know, their nose. Speaking of noses, I've got a bit of a block nose at the moment. Got a bit of a cold. 11th of January I'm recording this. Still, her red nose like a clown. Well, of course that's what she is. Like the Ferrari F1 team. Mattia Binotto. Still, yellow rims. Got thick tyres. As in, big, thick, 5 spokes, I think. And the tyres. As you can see, she, they have a very interesting paint job. Lots of yellow and purple, pink, all that. What does the number plate read? Can't read that. No, was it BOS 25P, I think that says. But still, the badging on this is surprisingly good, I think. It's got the Gremlin and the 5-litre V8. Very accurate in my opinion. What are your thoughts on Greebles? Tell me in the comments. Have a great day, folks!